guys, yes, I was just narrating the story of the Amok in this beautiful town of ours in Munich, and I just want to share you some of the things that I learned since that day. And I don't take life for granted. I mean, living is a gift. Living my life is a gift. Never take it for granted. I learned from that day to always appreciate each day as it comes. I learned that living and breathing and waking up and going home and even traveling, or when you just enter in the tram, in the U-Bahn, the metro or the train, you never know what happens, and it's always a precious gift just getting to one point safely, going back in your bed, in your home, in your room, or wherever you are. Never take anything for granted in this life. I can tell you from my own experience, the day I experienced, from my own experience, on that day, it was something I will never ever forget. Yes, so I don't take anything for granted in life, and I always appreciate and I'm thankful to God that everything, or even that day, I'm sorry,